How to get $100 Shein promo codes. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in www.wavycoupons.com and search for it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Wavy Coupons. Now over here, you will see the search box. Type in Shein and search for it. Now scroll down. Over here, you will see this option, Shein gift card codes and coupons. Open it. Now scroll down. Now in this page, you're gonna find amazing and exciting deals of Shein. Just scroll down and you can go through all these coupons. At the very top, you will see this $100 off coupon. You can save lots of money online with a Shein discount code. Now to use this coupon code, all you need to do is click on this option of show coupon. Now you have to unlock this coupon code, so click on this option unlock code. So this way you can get $100 Shein promo codes. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.